Hello and welcome to the channel. This is going to be a short how-to video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the service indicator on a 2015 Ford Fusion. This procedure can be done with the engine on or off. I am going to demonstrate it for you today with the engine off. So we're located inside the vehicle and we have the key within the vehicle interior. We're going to go ahead and power on the vehicle by pushing the start-stop button on the right side one time. The vehicle accessories and everything will power on. And then you can go ahead and hit OK in the menu to clear out the messages. Then using the thumb pad on the left side of the steering wheel, you're going to go through the menu on the left side of the speedometer to this menu, and you're going to scroll all the way down to settings and hit OK. You're going to hit OK on vehicle and then hit OK on oil life reset and simply hold OK until it resets. And then you can let go. That's it. It's very simple and straightforward. Again, this can be done with the engine on or off. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps.